Hello, this is Miss Conley Snow Day Volcano. You can see we tried one already. This new one we're gonna try with double the amount. So I put in double the baking soda and double the dish soap. So we're gonna add in some red and blue coloring. My lovely assistant will add in some coloring again for us. And we also have double the vinegar as well that we're gonna be adding in. Got some nice reds in there. Oh no, did I leave it screwed on? There we go. Now we're gonna add in the vinegar. Oh, yeah, there we go. So obviously you can modify this recipe as needed, right? So doubling everything made a beautiful lava flow going down the side of our volcano. High five, lab assistant. Whoa! Excellent.